Okay. Today, I'll be showing you how to make a sandwich. Now, as you can see, I've already put everything, all the condiments I want on my sandwich. I used Kraft's Miracle Whip, non-sponsored, although I fucking wish, and Frenchie's Classic Yellow Mustard. Next, we need to stir the sandwich. The meat. As you can see, I already put it on once, but I decided to make a video halfway through making a sandwich. So you know what? Here we go. This is honey smoked ham, I believe. It's fucking great. Next, we got lettuce. I just bought this yesterday. Well, I didn't buy it, but my family did. Now, I like to use a good amount. So, there we go. Yeah. There we go. Now we got our plate and we're gonna cut it. If you don't cut your sandwiches, you're a filthy fucking animal, that's for sure. Just kidding. How am I gonna cut this with one hand? This is a butter knife. This is fuck that. Got in here. That should work. Fuck. What if I do this? Now we cut the sandwich. And I just ripped my sandwich all to hell. Fuck. It's fine, it's fine, it's still edible. Yeah. That's a fucking good sandwich. Fuck you if you don't like rye bread. I think rye bread's amazing. But, yeah. That's all. Here's my sandwich.